Hello guys, today we make cioccolato di Modica. It's a kind of chocolate from Sicily. Modica is a city in Sicily. Last video I showed you that if you find the beans, you need to roast them for at least 30 minutes at 150 Celsius degree. After, you need to peel them, and here now I have 300 grams of cocoa beans, plus we need 200 grams of sugar, normal sugar, the classic one. Now I will take sorry, I don't know the name in English. I will smash all my beans. After, we should warm them in bain-marie, and when melt we will add the sugar, but I'll show you later. Smash all our cocoa beans. Now we should warm them, reaching the temperature of 40 Celsius degree. After, we can add the sugar. Please be careful if some water go inside your chocolate, your cocoa. After, you will have the same problem that I had in the last video, so please be careful. Like you can notice, after a few minutes the chocolate starts melting, so now we can add the sugar. Maybe you can use a container a little bit bigger, will be easier to work it. Maybe a towel, this way you don't burn your fingers. I don't know if you've noticed, the sugar doesn't melt. This is the special things of the cioccolato di Modica. So you have the cacao or the chocolate and the sugar still crunchy inside your chocolate. Put in the container. Now we need to store in the fridge at least 30 minutes. I will keep like this in the fridge over the night. See you tomorrow for the tasting. Spectacular. I don't know if you can hear the crunch from the sugar, the strong taste of the chocolate, plus if we eat the chocolate and drink a sip of homemade smoked whiskey, very really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried to make homemade chocolate, or if you've been in Sicily, Modica, please let us know down in the comment. Bye bye!